Amazon just opened up its Sidewalk network for anyone to build connected gadgets on. Is that like Alexa and stuff like that? Yeah, IoT devices. The long-range, low-bandwidth network can give any IoT device free, low-speed data. It's kind of cool. That's a coverage map, which claims that the network reaches over 90% of the U.S. population. Look at all those little dots. It turns out that low-bandwidth, long-range IoT network is all around you, ready and waiting for many gadgets to jump onto it. It's kind of a cool name, too, Sidewalk. Over 3 days of traveling more than 40 miles, found that the connectivity was surprisingly strong in my corner of South Carolina, even in the wilds of the National Forest. So which type of devices can I keep connected to this? Let's see. It won't replace cellular. It will help Ring cameras send motion notifications even when they're offline. It will allow smart locks to connect to the internet without the need for battery-sapping Wi-Fi radios. Amazon also developed a few early partnerships, including with CareBand, developed a wearable health tracker. And now Amazon wants others to build devices to use this network for free. All you need to do is request a test kit, a small gray wireless device with Ring branding on it, gauge if the connectivity in the area you want to deploy your product is sufficient, and you can start building. Nordic, Silicon Labs, and other silicon companies have SDKs and HDKs available now, and AWS IoT Core for Sidewalk provides a one-stop shop for connecting devices. So, I mean, they have many devices in this category, obviously, including all their Ring-branded devices. But I presume the bigger it gets, the more it sort of, it will encourage other devices to jump onto that network, and it will work towards their dominance in IoT. Or, I presume that's what they want.